Now, defense forces and police units have been in news recently. Police force and other associated units are in news frequently. And in this regard, let us discuss question number 91. With the reference to home guards, consider the following statements. Statement 1 is home guards are raised under the Home Guards Act and rules of the central government. Now, this statement is incorrect because home guards are raised under Home Guards Act and rules by state and union territories governments and not the central government. Statement 2. The role of home guards is to serve as an auxiliary force to the police in maintenance of internal security. Now, this statement is correct because in addition to serving as an auxiliary unit to the police, home guards also assist the communities in any kind of emergencies such as cyclones, epidemics, etc. Now, the third statement. To prevent the infiltration on the international border or coastal areas, the border wing home guards battalions have been raised in some states. Now, this statement is also correct because in states such as Rajasthan, they have formed a border wing home guards battalion in order to prevent infiltration on international borders. Thus, from the above discussion, we can say that two statements are correct. Hence, option B is the right answer.